This is a side lying adductor pullback. We're going to line up with our feet on the wall so the heel and the base of the big toe contact the wall. We're going to put the ball between the knees here. As we inhale, we're going to pull back, shifting this upper thigh and hip backwards, maintaining contact on the wall. We're going to exhale as we push down into the ball with the knee, gently squeezing down. Then as we inhale once again, we're going to shift back a little further. And then we're going to exhale as we push back down into the ball. To enhance the ability to shift this hip back, we may have to reach with this hand on the same side that we're shifting into, in this case the left. So we'd reach toward the wall with the fingertips. We're going to inhale as we pull back and reach, and then we're going to exhale as we press down with the knee. Continuing to reach with the hand throughout. That's your side lying adductor pullback.